Welcome to Engine Explorer. What happens when Mercedes-Benz decides to blur the lines between luxury, power, and off-road capability? You get the 2026 X-Class, not just a comeback, but a complete reinvention. This isn't just another premium SUV, it's the boldest X-Class yet. Let's start with the design. The new X-Class looks aggressive, yet elegant. The Panamericana grille, sharp LED DRLs, and muscular curves give it a dominating road presence. The proportions are wider and lower, and it rides on massive 21-inch alloy wheels that hint at both luxury and performance. It's got the presence of a G-Wagon, but with a sleeker, more aerodynamic silhouette. Under the hood, you get two options. The base model packs a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine, pushing out 362 horsepower, while the AMG version delivers a massive 450-plus horsepower. The 9G-tronic transmission and Mercedes 4MATIC all-wheel drive system come standard, giving the X-Class sports sedan performance with SUV practicality. It accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in under 5 seconds, fast enough to leave most SUVs behind. Step inside, and it's everything you expect from Mercedes. And then some. Dual 12.3-inch screens stretch across the dash, powered by the latest MBX system with voice commands, gesture controls, and augmented reality navigation. Materials are top of the line: quilted Napa leather seats, open-pore wood, and metal accents. The ambient lighting offers 64 colors to match your mood. And the Burmester sound system turns the cabin into a concert hall. Rear seat passengers aren't left out. There's more leg room, heated and ventilated seats, and even tablet-style controls. Built into the center armrest, the ride comfort is outstanding thanks to adaptive air suspension, which adjusts in real time to road conditions, delivering that signature magic carpet Mercedes feel. In terms of practicality, the X-Class offers plenty of boot space, roof, rack options, and smart storage solutions throughout the cabin. Whether you're heading out on a weekend road trip or just commuting in style, it's got the versatility to handle it all. Safety? Fully loaded. From adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist to automatic emergency braking, and even Level 2 semi-autonomous. Driving, the 2026 X-Class is as smart as it is strong. This is Mercedes-Benz showing what happens when luxury meets performance and practicality in a bold new design. The 2026 X-Class isn't just back. It's redefining what a luxury crossover can be.